Hello everyone, this is my Lego Thomas the Tank Engine. Maybe just a classic series, or I don't know. Maybe it's just shorter and it doesn't have all the correct detailing. I still have the black line in my iPad. It's gonna be fixed tomorrow or something. Hold on. Thomas needs to go for a second. Photo broke. Okay. Yeah, he's smaller shaped than usual. I did his 3 wheels. Undercarriage. I did both kinds of buffers. I just moved the lamp to the side. Same buffers on the back, but black and different. He has room for a driver and fireman. This is the fireman. The driver is the other one. Hold on, his funnel keeps falling off because it's sticky tack. I just did the white here. Just attach these on by other bricks. Oh, he sometimes has a bouncing motion, like if he's on a certain piece of track, he has a bouncing motion. Oh. Yeah, he bounces like on a this kind of piece of track, like we're free. Oh yeah, that's not part of it, but he has his usual thing. Oh God, he has his usual thing. So I just put white because I didn't have the pieces. I have gold, but I don't know where they are. I don't have a blue dome, so I just use this. I funnel by sticky tack. It's falling off sometimes. I may do a Lego stop motion video. On this YouTube starter. I don't know, I just included that. I did the roof. Oh, wish. Okay, sorry. My lighting is not correct at the same time because I'm just using the tiny book light for some of my reviews. Oh, off rails. Yeah, but the face. I use the thing I put for the roof. Hold on, I need press to get it off. Hold on. I guess I took the whole cab off. Like, whole. If you say to me, I took it like all off. I used 2 of these character plates. Holding up by a tiny station. Oh God. Okay, there we go. 2 of these connected, character plates connected to each other to form his cab. Just putting it back on. The fireman, the driver and fireman in the cab. The blue is the driver and the other is the whatever. I don't know. Oh, but he has this. I don't know. That's the fireman for some reason. I don't know why. But the blue one should be the fireman because it's mostly it. I don't do cab detailing inside, or I didn't do the windows either. Like I shown you before, I had Neil. Whatever. Neil. Oh. This is gonna be like Thomas plus a jet engine. I started making the jet engine, kind of. My own version, kind of, though, too, also. I've started making the boxes for it, those things. I just made this kind of boxes, like a generator. Like, I don't know. I don't remember what it originally looked like. Oh, the fire coming out. You could take it out also. Oh God. I've been shooting Nerf guns all today with my friend Carson. Carson. He finally came into my house. Oh, I'm using like the old car pieces. The old car piece. Like one of the old Lego car pieces. The like wheels. I used one for my tractor. My Lego tractor like that. See the wheel. Yeah. I guess that's it. For a review. Two reviews. Oh, extra things, but I also made an auto switch. Okay, you take my book light off of the station. Made this thing. Made a this auto. Yeah, like turning it on. Those auto uncouplers. And I'm using both controls for this. Yeah, I put lights in it for that lamp also. It looks much dimmer in real life than so that's it, I guess, for now. No, wait. Yeah, as you can see inside the station, the woman's over here. I made a station, I made a auto switcher for a track, and I made a turntable. Because I can't really see that well. There you go. Just a little brighter. Yeah, made a turntable. So I guess that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, I just found a new idea. Put it on my iPad. Put the thing on my iPad. The brand is French Ball, I think. Oh, French Ball. Yeah. It's like, I don't know. But that's it for the review. The reviews, I mean. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe on my videos and subscribe to me because I need a little more subscribers. Thomas has, oh God. Thomas wants to say, thank you for watching. Well, he can't talk, but he says to me, which is fake. He wants to say thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. And have a good day or night. Bye.